So let's talk about what you've put in here in the kitchen. The depth of the top is what, 30 mil?
30 mil, yeah.
But there's a whole lot of hard stuff going on down here as well. You've got ramps down there. This is quite a piece, isn't it? Useful.
And it basically was advised by the templators who came in to have the big upstand at the back, all the way to the shelf and the big splashback. And
had you not planned for that?
We hadn't planned for that, no.
It's beautiful because when you're cooking, it sparkles the whole time.
I'm cooking surely all your cooking sparkles.
Not quite.
That's the huge bonus about having an expert come into your house and then being able to give you a bit of advice. In this case, it paid off.
Yeah.
Their experience, they fit something like 350 kitchens a month. So they know where some people have maybe fallen short. But I hope it didn't cost too much, but that makes this kitchen.
Absolutely, yeah. I'm so pleased it was suggested. So I think it like you say, it makes the kitchen. Yep.